The enthusiastic investors in Shiba Inu have become new dollar billionaires as over 1.7 trillion tokens are in circulation. However, something utterly unexpected happened today since things went completely bonkers. After more than 2 years, this has never occurred before. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll explain. The last day has seen an unusual transfer of 1.7 trillion tokens has occurred on the Shiba Inu network, which has caused a great deal of curiosity and conjecture among crypto enthusiasts. Underscoring the event's significance, this large token movement has rippled across multiple platforms and institutions. Extensive transfers are taking place between various entities when we examine the details of these transactions. Persons or organizations, most notably leading cryptocurrency markets like Binance and Coinbase. These trades are quite massive. Trading Shiba Inu tokens worth hundreds of billions of dollars indicates a very high-stakes game. The timing of these transactions further adds mystery to this scenario. Several transactions took place in a matter of minutes, suggesting a possible concerted endeavor or a succession of calculated maneuvers arranged by a singular entity or a unified set of players. The large sums at stake highlight how serious these deals are, suggesting a well-planned and strategic approach to the market. Nonetheless, this exchange is noteworthy in the realm of cryptocurrency. Curiously important is the timing of this huge move, particularly in those situations where we are of the opinion that the recent elimination of a zero from the pricing of Shiba Inu was a monumental event that occurred only yesterday. The Shiba Inu community was swept away by the thrill of this monumental change. Let me paint a different picture. The billionaire whale responsible for the current move may be preparing for something far bigger. Everyone is wondering, what is this enormous being getting ready for? For what reason? Isn't it great that it's getting the appreciation it deserves? Possible insights and opportunities may lie inside this enigma. How can you take advantage of this information when everyone else seems to be ignoring this important development? To find out what happens next, stay tuned as we investigate the possible consequences of these remarkable transactions and try to decipher their secrets. The newly authorized Bitcoin ETF is the primary item that requires our attention. It's time to make a connection between the recent price swings of Shiba Inu and the highly anticipated Bitcoin ETF approval. The wider crypto scene and the developing storyline surrounding the approval of the first Bitcoin ETF are inextricably linked to this major change in Shiba Inu's fortunes. Unpredictable market collapse followed original Bitcoin ETF approval. The recession hit Shiba Inu particularly hard, and as a result, its price took a nosedive, with a zero added to it. After this market turmoil subsided, Shiba Inu went through a difficult patch, and investors were on edge and unsure about what was to come. But in spite of everything, determination won out. Restoring the zero that had been lost after the market meltdown, Shiba Inu was able to regain the ground after nearly 2 months of navigating the storm. As the selling pressure of billions of dollars US slowly subsided, the true impact of the Bitcoin ETF acceptance became apparent, and the Shiba Inu community surely went through a difficult period. A crypto enthusiast tweeted a quote that sums up the change and fits in with the mood of the market right now. Never forget the naysayers who predicted the ETFs would drive down Bitcoin's value. Then where are they? So why aren't they making any noise? This introspection is a sobering skepticism about how ETFs have affected the price of Bitcoin and the reality that has followed. The announcement has sent shockwaves throughout the crypto market, as the total spot trading volume of Bitcoin ETFs has surpassed $3 billion for 2 days in a row. As we near 3 million transactions today, here's hoping the Shibami have an incredible week ahead. A lot of cool stuff is about to happen, and today's video will cover what Shitoshi tweeted about Shiboshi recently. In passing, Shitoshi said that she is leaving. Did you think she would show up? Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss a thing, because we will also go over some bullish developments. Now let's get down to the meat of today's video, a couple of brief updates, not the US dollar or gold. Raw materials, petroleum, or commodities yet. The one investment that could have yielded over $1 million for $100 every month was a Shiba Inu. Since February 2021, you could have made $54.6 million by now in February 2024 if you had invested $100 monthly in SHIB. It could have been the life-changing tale of rags to riches, but all it took was 3 years of investing. The value of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, which is based on the popular dog breed, has been increasing week after week, reaching a peak of 1,005 cents before encountering rejection. Due to the spike, the SHIB price was able to surpass the daily MA50 barrier. The bulk of the profit came from the upward trend that began in January and continued through October of 2021. the Shiba Inu's value has increased by 85 million%. Within this time range, by 85 million%. This is the main reason why the token with a dog theme was so profitable and why the early adopters got their money's worth. Consequently, the single most important factor that determined whether investors became billionaires or destitute was timing. Among all assets, Shiba Inus are the only ones that have produced such rapid and substantial gains. Shifting gears to the plot. Additional credit for the development team's work goes to Shytoshi Kusama. At Shytoshi Kusama, the tweet reads, "BD deal, our techies brought up a novel use case for Shiboshi yesterday. I am grateful, Masriel. Plans have been made by the campaign agency. This is the only item at Shiboshi's realm. Something beautiful is on the way, I think it's safe to say. See you soon, Shiboshi." This brings us to the conclusion of the video. For other SHIB-related news, subscribe to the channel.